How to fix Brawl Stars no sound problem. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. For this, go ahead and open up your settings application in your mobile device. Now from here, tap on General, and from General tap on iPhone storage. Now inside iPhone storage, tap on Brawl Stars, and then tap on Upload App, and then tap on Upload App again. Uploading the app will help you free up the storage used by the app. But don't worry, it will keep its data and documents. After you are done uploading the app, make sure to reinstall it again. So once you are done with this step, head back and check if it's up to date or not. To check, go ahead and open up your App Store. Search for Brawl Stars. Now instead of open, if you see update button, go ahead and tap on it. Updating your application to its latest version might fix your issue. Now after you are done updating, head back to your home screen and then simply restart your device. And after your device has been restarted, open up your Brawl Stars application in your mobile device, and after that your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.